Hi everyone, today we're making a versatile, no onion, no garlic pasta sauce. For this you will need 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of onion and garlic free stock, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1 can of chopped tomatoes, 2 roasted jarred peppers and 1 small diced carrot, and 250 grams pasta, and finally 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Bring a pot of salted water to the boil and cook your pasta as per the packet instructions. Drain and set aside, keeping some of the pasta water for later. Next, add the oil, add the carrot and simmer on a medium heat for 5 minutes. Add the chopped tomatoes, add your stock, oregano and tomato puree. Stir and simmer for 12 minutes, stirring occasionally to avoid sticking. Let the sauce cool to room temperature, then add to a blender or food processor with the roasted jarred peppers. Blend until your desired smoothness. Add the mixture back to the pot with a splash of the pasta water and heat on medium to low for 1 minute. Now add your pasta and stir gently to coat. Add salt and pepper to taste. Now it's time to plate the pasta. Feel free to add some extra black pepper. And some Parmesan cheese for extra flavour. This sauce works well on its own or as a base for more complex dishes. Please like and subscribe for more onion and garlic free recipes, but in the meantime, enjoy!